is it, 777? Today we show Pax they don't own Egypt. We're going to war.
Not for some foreign power or for riches, but to defend our home. I, for one, refuse to let these mercenaries stay in our homeland. Their influence has spread too far, but today we cut them off at the knees. Today we ensure Pax feels the full force of our army. And we make it very clear that this is our home!
Come, 777. It is time to take our
Country back.
Zonder 7-1, this is Vortex 2-1. I don't like what I'm seeing, Commander.
Captain Yosta, good to have the 47 at our side. Just like the old days. Visual on hostiles.
Enemy tanks are on the move.
Copy. Saeed, ready the big gun.
Roger that!
Contact!
That's fortified the overpass. Choking off your approach to the city.
Then they will be met with fury.
Air has overwatch. We'll hit their flank while your tanks in front.
Full assault. Advance.
Overwhelm. Vortex 2.
Keep up the pressure. I'll advance to
Take down that overpass.
Our forebearers will be proud.
River 7 always delivers.
This is just the beginning. Be ready to deploy heat. Keep shells moving and we'll come out of this victorious.
Roger that. We'll be ready.
sharp. It is down to us.
Take our country back. Enemy back up! Inbound from the east! that, and we'll be free of Pax in no time, brother.
Count on it. Our
Stinger!
Vortex!
Mayday, mayday. Vortex 2-1 is hit. Losing altitude. In a spin and can't recover.
Vortex 2-1. Do you copy? Get us to that crash site. Yalla, yalla, امشي.
Moving!
Yasta, hold on. We won't leave you behind.
What's the call?
Keep the bird with the convoy. Can't risk getting it shut down too. I need 3 vehicles with us. The rest of the convoy, continue to intercept. We need to push into the city and get to the crash site. We're going to reach them before Pax do. Count on that.
On me!
Cover your sectors. Expect Pax to be dug in. We need to reach them before Pax does.
Contact! Check the building!
Bring them down. Tango eliminated.
Target destroyed!
Dropped hostile.
We've got an opening through the alley!
Push the right flank. Captain Yasta, if you can hear me, we are on our way. Keep them at bay until we get there. Damn it! That way is blocked. Advance through the tunnel. Faster! We don't want to get buried in here!
Vortex is down. I say again, Vortex is down. Taking fire. Wreck is the wreckage and in need of immediate extraction.
Captain Yasta, we read you and are closing in on your position. What is your status?
They have us. Wind down. Vehicle access to the east, but hostiles are swarming.
Inbound. I need you to stay in the fight.
Ammo's running low. 47 don't give up.
Nor do we. We're pushing through. Blocked. And Pax is already advancing towards the crash. Saeed, with me. We'll need 4 more soldiers. Yasta's running out of time.
That's our way in. But it's going to have to be on foot. Our fix can't get through. The rest, go around and find an access point. We'll be waiting. With Captain Yasta and his team. Could use this. Weapons free.
Unidentified smoke. Commander, detecting.
Hermit, let's get you out of there. Frag out! I need to reload! Hostile!
the area!
Move to that location! We need air support! Frag out! Stand down! Commence firing! Tango down! You four, form a perimeter. The rest on me. We move to the helo. Watch our six. Saeed, on me.
Copy.
Yasta!
Mr. Bird, stop! Hurry! Just have to... There it goes. Good to see you, Commander.
Likewise. Just you.
We didn't make it.
I'm sorry for our loss. But we have to fight on. You with me?
Until the end.
Glad to hear it. Captain Yasta is safe and secured. But we're not done yet. Not by a long shot.